Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an engine mount on a Toyota Camry. First, gather your tools, including a floor jack, jack stands, and a metric socket set. Safety is paramount, so always ensure your Camry is securely supported on jack stands before starting any work. Next, identify the specific engine mount or mounts that require replacement. A visual inspection often reveals cracks or excessive wear, indicating it's time for a change. This initial preparation saves time and ensures a smooth process. With the car safely elevated, it's time to support the engine. Place a floor jack with a wood block under the oil pan, applying just enough pressure to take the engine's weight. This prevents the engine from shifting when the mount is removed. Now, locate the bolts securing the old engine mount to both the engine and the vehicle frame. Use the appropriate socket to loosen and remove these bolts. Once all bolts are out, carefully extract the old, worn-out mount. Now for the installation of your new engine mount. Carefully position the new mount into its designated spot, ensuring proper alignment with the bolt holes. It's crucial to start all bolts by hand first to avoid cross-threading. Once all bolts are in place and hand-tight, you can begin to snug them down. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. This ensures the mount is securely fastened and will perform correctly. After the new mount is securely installed, slowly lower the engine by releasing the floor jack. Watch to ensure the engine settles properly onto the new mount. Once the engine is fully supported by its mounts, remove the jack and stands. Perform a final visual inspection, double-checking all bolts for tightness and ensuring everything is secure. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This completes your engine mount replacement, and your Camry should now run much smoother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.